Chicos, si no pueden permitirse ir al gimnasio, simplemente compren un rodillo de abdominales para hacer ejercicio. Está disponible en todos.
Guys, if you upload your video and translate your voice with Meta AI, please don't forget to turn on because it will give you more views from any different country. From translation voice Meta by AI, so you will get up to 17 language. Yes, 17 countries, guys. So it means not only from your country can watch your video, and they can translate also from different country with their language. So guys, I'll give you example on my video that I upload in my Reels video, which is I turn on the translation with Meta AI. So check this video, guys. So I'll show you. It's all my videos which is I translate. So for example, guys, translated in Spanish. So English, they have English translation. They have also Spanish. So example on this video, I'll show you. So from this video, guys, I'm speaking Spanish. So automatic translated in Spanish.
Guys, if you cannot Chicos, si no pueden permitirse ir al gimnasio, simplemente compren un rodillo de abdominales para hacer ejercicio. Está disponible en todos.
So my English tutorial video automatic translated in Spanish, guys. So it means if those people from Spain, so they can understand my video because automatic translated in Spanish, okay?
Abdominal en su estómago. Así que simplemente háganlo, chicos.
So I will check one more video also from my other. So with original video is English, then it translated to Spanish.
Me gusta tu comentario, haré una imagen de AI para ti. Así que veamos. Así que de Rinquilota tomaré una imagen, la guardaré y nosotros...
Okay guys, that's only the example, guys. So it means if you turn on the translation voice with Meta AI, it means not only from your country can see your videos, okay? So 17 countries, which is with different language by help of Meta AI, guys. So it means if they don't understand your language from your video, they can translate on their own language, okay? So guys, don't forget, turn on your Reels video, the Meta translation voice, okay? So guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.